Hey guys, shh, don't tell. I'm surprising my parents with a brand new kitchen garden today. My parents just moved to the Nashville area and they have been supporting me and my business for years, literally since the day I started. Well, since the day I was born. And today is the day I get to give back to them. Have you ever tried to garden on a slope? That's what we're working with here. So my parents' backyard slopes from the back down. So it's been a little bit of a puzzle to figure out where the garden could fit without having to change the elevation too much. And we settled on putting the garden right back here. This is a relatively flat space right here. It kind of levels off. We are going to dip a little bit, so we'll have to do a little bit of finagling to make sure the beds are even from that side to this one, but not nearly as much as in the other areas. And this is going to be like a half of a formal potager. If you know the way I term my gardens in Kitchen Garden Revival, formal potager are these L-shaped beds that create like this room. And what we're gonna do in this yard is do like half of it. So it's gonna feel like a room, but it'll just be half of the room instead of the whole thing. So follow along. We're gonna tear up this space, make it ugly first, worst first, and then turn it into a beautiful kitchen garden, hopefully all in one day. So 19 wide and then 8 long. And we'll put this steel edging and then the edging will go like right up against Sophie's bed. All right, so we've been shipping Gardenary cedar beds for years. They're awesome. They're made in Montana in the US. And we just got these brand new design that I'm gonna get to use for my parents' garden. They come ready, you guys. All of the drilling and connecting the trims on here, all we have to do is kind of piece these little pieces together and we're gonna have this huge garden. I love these things. This is my first day getting to see it, and let me just tell you, I'm excited. So one thing we do to make our cedar beds last a lot longer is we preserve them with this whey stain, and it's this eco wood treatment. It's made of whey powder, and what it does is like patina the wood so that it seals it up so it doesn't absorb water, soil, all the things it's exposed to in the garden. So you just mix this up with a gallon of water, and we're just gonna sponge this over all the wood before we start to put the beds together. The wood so that it seals it up.
I was telling Molly yesterday, someone was like,
What an unlikable person.
and you were saying, which one was it? 10 years of gardening advice in 60 seconds. Someone said, and I about pounced. And I was like, stop.
Here you go.
No.
Love me or hate me.
I know.
There's no money in the middle.
Yeah,
That's in the blog post.
that's what we all need to learn.
Well, it's like if you don't have people hate you, you're not gonna have people love you. You'll just have people like you. If you're neutral, you'll have everybody like you, but no one will be a super fan.
Maybe.
I mean, you can engage, but we don't have
saying,
to
hey,
be
this is bad.
defensive.
No.
We don't have to be defensive.
We never. That's why I'm bringing this up as a story, because I almost went into. Excuse me, she's actually, I like her, and her mom likes her, and her kids like her.
Actually, she's a really nice woman. She just has really strong gardening opinions. Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. All right, so we hired the big guns to come out here and help us with this grass. This is the hardest part, is getting this beautiful grass pulled up. Shh, don't tell my dad, he loves the grass. It's gonna be a little sad, but trust me on this one, the garden will be better. These guys are gonna do a great job of just cutting the grass right at the root, and then we'll come over with our paper cover and then put gravel on top so that no weeds will come through, and then we'll place the beds down. All right, so then we have one more there. I don't know how many, it's supposed to be 8 feet long here and then keep going long. That's the outside. Wait, we've got it turned around. So I don't see any pre-drilled holes or anything.
I hope they gave you really long screws.
There's pre-drilled holes. On the joints.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
So you've got
Right
here.
over there.
So you're gonna take, basically we're gonna do really long screws that will, on the small ones, and that attaches every corner.
Yep.
Okay. It's so hot, and it's only 8 o'clock. So we got the first bed laid out. How cute is this? This is an L-shaped bed. It comes with these panels, and then each panel stacks together, and all we've got to do is just attach the trim. So I'm super excited about this new design. It's so easy. And we got these really long screws that are gonna attach each side to the other. So they come pre-drilled. And yeah, we're gonna have this huge bed. This is 4 feet wide, 8 feet long on both sides. So you end up with 32 plus another 4 by 4, 16. You end up with 48 square feet of garden right here, just with this one bed. Pretty awesome. As you can see, it's hot. We have extreme heat warning today. I said it on my phone this morning, so I had to change shirts because I already sweated through the first one, but I only have one extra shirt, so I guess I'm gonna wear my mom's. Don't tell her. I'm just gonna have to sneak into her closet. How many shirts are we gonna wear today, Sydney?
I'm just wearing one. Actually, I did bring a change of the shirt. So just
She's already
2.
changed her pants.
I did change my pants. And I never wear shorts. So
Wait, what?
I didn't do anything in my pants.
What's wrong?
We tried to figure it out, the space outside, to where
With the dirt?
Oh, where the soil is gonna go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
in this, where you
Where to
want
put the grass?
Yeah, we didn't bring our dump trailer. It'll take me about an hour and a half to get back. But
No, don't do that. We need to work while it's not too hot.
Okay.
Why don't we, here, let's go look over here. Well, you can do the gravel right now, Jason,
Yeah.
and get the gravel out of the way.
Okay.
And then the soil, when the soil gets here, you'll have room.
Okay. Are you okay with us putting our pile of grass somewhere?
Yeah, how about we put it in the alley so it doesn't kill this
Sure.
grass?
Yeah.
Just don't put it in the neighbor's spot.
Yep.
Let's do the steel edging and gravel first.
Okay.
And then we'll get the gravel out of the way and then you can do the soil.
Ooh, okay. Push that, yeah.
Jason, I'm wondering if we should not put the steel edging down until we place the bed.
Sure.
I don't know what you think. Or we can at least just measure so you know exactly the length. Wow, this is good.
30.
Solid.
We good?
Yep.
Wow.
Okay. You want us to help carry?
Yeah.
So that corner is going to go to the back corner, and this piece will be in the front.
Hey guys. This is going in the back.
Hello.
What's your favorite part about building the garden?
The friends I've made along the way.
Aww.
I like staining the wood.
What's going on out here?
We're doing the. Hey guys, this is my unboxing today. I love how it goes. From Gardenary.
Okay, the pieces are coming together slowly but surely. I've had a lot of help. So the Nicole Arch trellis here, not quite trellised yet, but that'll be the last part. We did build the small little bed. This is gonna go inside the 2 L-shaped beds. I love this little bed. It's gonna be perfect for herbs and greens and maybe some strawberries. These 2 L-shaped beds are ready to go, and they look amazing. So these are reinforced in the middle, and you can see that is a ton of growing space in there. In just 2 beds, they're gonna have over almost 100 square feet of growing space. Then the real muscle work is happening back here. These guys cleared the grass. Now they're putting in the steel edging and the ram board, which is what we put underneath the beds to keep the grass from growing back. Great progress. It's only 10:15. I've already down to my last shirt, so we'll see what happens next. I'm not that level when I first started my business because I thought it was aesthetic. It's bright. It's aesthetic, right? Yeah, you can see how high it's going to have to be because this is at the top of the steel edge.
How many string by any sec? Right?
I'm gonna have twine in my car.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
On the other side? Okay. Come down a little bit, Nacho. You're not quite touching. Yeah, so I think let's get this to bare minimum. That'll help a little bit. So mistakes happen when you're putting the garden in, and I don't know if it was a mistake. It was a realization that the slope was just too much. So we are having to go back to my tried and true method, which if you haven't seen that video, I have a whole video right here all about how to level out an unlevel space for the garden. So we're doing just that. We're following my own prescription. So we're digging down on this side.
Trevor almost just impaled his face.
I almost just lost an eye right
Oh
here.
my gosh.
That one's good.
Come on, Elaine, I saw you do it.
That's the one for a nose though.
Hey! Hey!
Come on, Sid. I got one for you. I got a toe touch.
Yeah, and you're gonna
Are you ready?
do it well.
You're actually good at it.
I know. She's gonna show me up.
The only problem is
She's gonna rip her jeans short.
Hey!
so this is what happens when you try to get done in one day. You just can't quite do it. It's over 95 degrees right now, and this is our progress. As you can see, a little crazy back here, but we are almost to the finish line. We got to do soil, trellises, plants, and of course level this bed out. But we are in the home stretch, and we'll be back for day 2. All right, we are back for day 2, and the clock is ticking. We've got till early this afternoon when my parents are going to come back and see the garden. So fingers crossed that we can get this done. These guys are here to do the heavy lifting, get the gravel moved and the beds finally leveled so we can put in the soil, put in the trellises, put in the first plants, and then hopefully surprise my parents before they get home. The smaller bed.
Right.
Maybe for you.
Yeah.
Almost there.
All right, we are all level, and ironically, we dug down, maybe a little too much, so then we dug everything down, so then we don't need so much gravel. Whereas this time yesterday, or about 2 or 3 p.m. yesterday, we thought we needed more gravel. Now we actually need less. So we're gonna take some of this gravel out so that the pathways are nice and flat, and then we're gonna be ready for soil. Basically get the soil level from one side to the next. We've got about a foot of soil in each bed, so we're gonna level it out and put the trellis in so that it doesn't wobble when it's covered in tomatoes. So this is our line. Okay. All right, we'll do. We got the arch trellis in place. I think Sydney just told me it's the fastest I've ever done it. So measure twice before you do anything. Save yourself some grief. So we're in, and now the rest of the soil is going in, and then plants. Plants. Plants and seeds.
Go,
Jared.
go, Jared. Go, Jared.
He goes, stop it.
Stop it, please.
There's a documentary.
Hey, Disney princess. Gorgeous. Gonna give the plants a drink of water?
Is she? This is what we're supposed to use? Yeah.
I think so, but
How much water? Yeah, how much water? Oh.
All right, we are ready for my favorite part, the plants. Get like a mirror. Yeah, there you go. And then do this one on the middle of the next one, and then so like on the outside.
all these phones, all the cameras.
Not a phone, sorry. I hope we get enough footage.
for watering.
Move my shadow.
A little planting hack I use is I look for marks on the bed, like screws and edges and places where the boards join, and I use those as lines for planting so that when I'm working in this bed versus that bed, everything's in a similar place.
Did you voluntarily come today?
I could.
You woke up at a crisp 6 a.m. for this?
She woke me up and then I couldn't go back to bed, so it got as well.
So we're gonna plant some cucumber, zucchini, beans, and arugula. It's late July. We have 3 months until first frost, so should be time.
Cute seed packets. Where'd you get those
Yeah.
from?
These are from this company I just learned about called Gardenary. It's pretty cool.
Should we do a dance montage?
We are done, at least for today. So we planted all the things we could do for this season. We've got perennial herbs, flowers all around the edges. We're talking oregano, rosemary, sage, thyme, all the good stuff. And then we have cucumber seeds along this arched trellis. We're gonna have pole beans on the obelisks, zucchini, and then arugula in the salad box. So now it's time for me to go find my parents. All right, are y'all happy to be home?
We are excited. Thank you for letting us come to our house.
We've been away so long.
I'm telling you, 2 days.
Okay, we're gonna all step down together.
You've always wanted to tell us where to go.
I've always wanted to be your boss.
That's it.
My dreams are coming true.
That's true.
All right, I'm gonna count to 3 and then you open your eyes. 1, 2, 3!
Woo! Wow!
Oh, it's amazing.
Look at that.
Do you like it?
You did that in 2 days?
Gorgeous.
We did. Do you
Oh
love
my
it?
Only 2 days. Yes,
Wow.
yes. I love the placement.
We've got all your herbs for Dad's grilling, Mom's cooking.
Good.
We've got thyme, chives, sage, some oregano. We put some zucchini over there. Dad, do you love zucchini?
No.
And yeah, this is your little.
Fantastic.
You happy?
Bravo, bravo.
Yes.
Well, you guys were the first. First you made me do all the yard work growing up.
True.
So that taught me hard work outside.
And it's paid off.
And then Mom, your garden in Mississippi inspired Carolyn to beg for a garden.
Yes.
And then when I started my business, you guys have supported me all along the way. So
Yep. Thank you so
Fantastic.
much.
Thank you.
It's wonderful.
my
Thank God.
parents have a garden.
Thank Gardenary and all those above.